Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that tracks your devices. This ensures changes apply to the right profile. Next, check account security to confirm which devices are listed, because you may need to remove a device later. Once done, go to Data and Privacy or My Activity. Google.com to access location controls directly. This step puts you where the settings live, so make sure you're on a secure network and that two-factor authentication is enabled for a safer, complete change. Now you'll disable location history. Go to Data and Privacy, find History Settings, then Location History, and toggle it off. You should choose whether to turn it off for the entire account or only for specific devices. Pick devices if you want some hardware still to report. Once turned off, optionally pause web and app activity to reduce other location-sourced logs. This prevents future timeline entries. However, it does not delete past data, so stay with me for deletion steps next. Finish by removing existing location records. In Location Histories, Manage Activity or Timeline, select and delete the entries you don't want. Then set Auto-Delete to a period like 3, 18, or 36 months to keep new data from accumulating. Make sure device-level location permissions are revoked for Google Apps and remove any lost devices from your account. If deletion fails, force stop the Google app, clear its cache, and retry. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or reboot the device to refresh permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.